University and Leipzig University video conference. This is part of a continuing series in which we are exploring the use of new technology to enhance and expand on the exchange program between our two universities. My name is Bob Stewart, and I'm the coordinator of the exchange program here in Athens, and I will serve as the moderator for this video conference on the Athens side of the Atlantic Ocean. Our one-hour session today will be divided into three parts, starting with some introductions and opening remarks, followed by some reports from some of the students who have taken part in this exchange program about their experiences. And finally, we will continue our ongoing discussion about the use of this particular technology to support and enhance the exchange program. Let me introduce the Leipzig coordinator of this, the Leipzig moderator of this video conference, Dr. Bernhard Devatin, my colleague in Leipzig. Bernhard, go ahead.
Thank you, Bob. As with any communication technology, we know that things can go wrong, of course. And part of our job today is to learn how to overcome the problems that we are facing when we are using a new technology that we are not used to. We also need, at this point, to acknowledge that this particular technology is not cheap, and we should say thank you to Greg Lynch and to the America House that is represented today by Rita Wallace, who I will introduce later on. We should say thank you to them. We are very grateful that they are willing to support this particular video conference for us, and they also have already supported the preliminary conferences.
I'd also like to thank the America House because they've been very instrumental in this exchange program all the way back to the early 1990s. And I think I can say that without their support in the early years, there's no way we would reach this point today when we can be talking with each other about this exchange program and many of the successes. I would also like to thank the Center for International Studies and Center for Teaching Excellence here in Ohio, at Ohio University. They've provided some funding to support some of these video conferences as well. So we do have support on both sides, and we're very grateful for that. Let me say that we're very honored that Professor Beagle could join us today. I would to invite President Glidden to say a few words at this point. We'll try to get a nice close-up shot.
Thank you, Bob. It's my pleasure to be talking with all of you in Leipzig, and it's very refreshing to see those Ohio shirts right there in prominent display. Very good. You're looking good. Ohio Bobcats.